Hey everyone, Tara Tescher here. Have you checked out my item of the month? It is an amazing 16-piece essential collection of various bakeware pieces, including a ramekin. We get, not just one ramekin by the way, 4 ramekins. We get questions all the time, what is a ramekin? Well, to me it's something that can hold something small, it's something that you can personalize. In this case it's 8 ounces total capacity with a beautiful stoneware lid, helper handles there on the side, painted on the inside and the outside. So think about these for, if it's barbecue season, replacing your relish and replacing maybe your ketchup. And instead of putting out, all of those plastic bottles on the table, how nice to be able to put it in these ramekins. And again, you can chill these so this will stay nice and cold throughout the meal. So stoneware is phenomenal. You can put it in the oven up to 500 degrees. So literally you could do French onion soups in here, have individual personal soups and have that beautiful cheese nice and crispy and crunchy because you tucked it under the broiler. And then you could do things like little ice cream sundaes inside here. In this case, we have barbecue sauce, we have our ketchup, and last but not least, we have our mustard. So I love the fact that we also have the lids included, so when you're taking these outside to your table, you don't have to worry about bugs getting inside there. And then take a look over here. Here I kind of layered them in with the entire 16-piece set. And I did things like, maybe you're putting together a little shrimp cocktail and you want some of your cocktail sauce or tartar sauce. Maybe you're doing chips and salsa and this is kind of like your appetizer section. How nice to be able to have some of your salsa there if you wanted to. And then I also loved layering it into some of the different pieces here, where remember you can do this as a hot dip and you can also do it as a cold dip. So again, I love that we can do a charcuterie board in our big baker and then have that. And then last but not least, you can have things like salad dressings inside here. You can have things like sour cream, different things that you want to put in here that you want to keep cold. You can do that. So this is what we love about our ramekins. They're completely versatile. They're completely customizable. If you're thinking about this for portion control, what a great way to do it. Where can you find this? This is just 4 pieces in our 16-piece set. Head over to Temp-tations.com and you can pick your pattern and your color.